Here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and let me show you how to activate battery percentage in the status bar on the following device. So just take a look. Now you cannot see the current battery label, the proper one. Then open the settings to change it, pick battery, not storage battery. And here just click on battery percentage. And you can pick either next to the battery icon. This is how it looks like. And then you can choose also inside battery icon. And that's how it looks like. And let me pick next to the battery icon as it's more clear for me. And this is it. So that will be all. This is how you can activate the battery percentage in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.